I would rather invest in myself, in my business, than spend money on a sale. You have to move from spending money to investing money. Stop spending on quote-unquote stuff, cars, vacations, eating out, drinks, education. Yes, even traditional education was stupid to spend on. I found that out within 2 weeks of starting my degree. Spending is a different energy than investing. So when I spend $3,000 on my personal education versus when I invest in an online course or a seminar/conference, the difference is that with the course and conference, you're actually able to get big resources that actually work for creating results in the real world. One's spending, one's investing. I would rather invest millions in something that had potential to make me money than spend a cent on a sale. Guys, poverty thinking is spending, not investing. So if it's a course and you're investing in yourself, do it. You're never, ever going to lose that investment. Warren Buffett says never lose money. Any book you read, any course you go do, you're investing in yourself, and unless your brain stops working or your heart stops beating, you can't lose that. So start changing your thinking with your friends, with your family, your spouse, kids, yourself to, we don't spend money, we invest money. Information, guidance, marketing, branding, hiring employees, those are investments, right? When you spend time mowing the lawn, you're not investing. You're not saving doing that. That's just dumb. That time could have been invested, and you can pay a high school or college kid from Kijiji $10 for his time there. Guys, move from spending to investing. Quit spending on stuff and start investing in things that can get you ahead.